Welcome back to our channel where we explore all things agriculture and soil health. Today, we will talk about how crop rotation can improve soil structure. Crop rotation involves planting different crops in the same area over a period of time. This practice helps to break pest and disease cycles. It also ensures that the soil is not depleted of specific nutrients. For example, planting legumes can increase nitrogen levels in the soil. This benefits subsequent crops that require nitrogen. Crop rotation also helps to control weeds. Different crops have different root structures. This helps break up the soil and improve its structure. It can also prevent soil compaction. Rotating deep-rooted crops with shallow-rooted ones improves soil aeration. This allows water and nutrients to penetrate deeper into the soil. Crop rotation can reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. This is because it naturally improves soil fertility and reduces pest pressure. Healthy soil structure is essential for optimal plant growth and crop yields. A well-structured soil allows plant roots to penetrate easily and access nutrients. It also helps with water retention. Improved soil structure can prevent erosion. This is important for maintaining the long-term productivity of agricultural land. Crop rotation is a sustainable farming practice. It helps maintain soil health and biodiversity. It can also improve the overall resilience of the farming system. Farmers have been practicing crop rotation for centuries. They understand its benefits for soil structure and crop production. By diversifying crops, farmers can reduce risks associated with monocropping. Crop rotation is a simple yet powerful way to improve soil health and sustainably manage agricultural land. It is a key principle of regenerative agriculture. So, consider implementing crop rotation in your farming practices to reap the many benefits it offers.